Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanelli, your Affiliate Hero, and in today's video, we're going to be going over an email marketing strategy that you can leverage when it comes to a funnel, email marketing, and of course, how to make money. This is overall going to be an example of what you can actually do to make that work. So what I did here in ClickFunnels is pretty much create a test funnel where it's just an opt-in page and a thank you page. What I'm going to do is go to edit page first so I can integrate with my email autoresponder, and then I'll show you from the back end what you can do from there. So let's move on to the settings, and then we're going to go to integrations. Select integration. We want get response. That's what I'm going to be using. Add to campaign. And of course, we want email software. Okay, cool. Let's save that. And let's exit. And now I'm just going to open this up in a new window. Now we have the thank you page. Once again, I'm just going to open this up in a new window as well. All right, so I didn't spend a ton of time on these. These are just kind of templates that ClickFunnels gives you. I've done tons of funnels. Just wanted to throw it up really quickly because it's more about the example than what's actually on it. So just free PDF reveals how to generate blah, blah, blah without spending $1 on ads. So what would happen is someone would click on here. They would enter their name, their email. They would hit, yes, I am ready to get started today. And what happens is we would collect their email and get response, and they would get taken here. Once again, this is just a dummy page where it says, thank you. Please check your inbox for your free PDF. Okay, so that is a very simple 2-page setup when it comes to a funnel. Created that in about 2 minutes. I didn't really do much to it. As you saw, these are just templates, but the cool thing is you can actually go in there and edit a lot of these. You can edit the colors, you can edit anything, but just kind of give you an example of getting up and running. So that's one aspect of it when it comes to the funnel. So now that we have that section covered, let's move on to the email marketing section. So not too long ago, or previously, I did a video when it comes to follow-ups. So I'm actually going to delete this and then show you how to do it from scratch. So delete this. Oops, that's why. Not moving the mouse over. All right, cool. So with this test list, obviously there's no one on. I'm just doing it for an example. Let's do create autoresponder. Let's just do day 0. Okay, we're going to do for email software. I like doing immediately. This is going to be the first one they get. You want to make sure they grab it. I do it on any day because I don't want it to delay. And then I'm going to do create new email. Okay, this is just going to be called a test. This isn't about like email marketing, subject lines, and other stuff like that. It's kind of, muscling through it quickly just so you can see exactly how to set it up. Okay, so start from scratch. And we're going to blank templates. I like using blank templates. It's very flexible. And all you need to do is pretty much just drag and drop the text block in there. And of course, get rid of the big bold font. There's also some, what's it called there? Some other links. Okay, and what you would do is, obviously email. I have other videos where I talk about emails, what to write, and so on and so forth. But let's just say that this was our email, and it's awesome. It's the best email ever written, as you can tell. Extra space there because I have OCD. Get rid of this because it doesn't match, and I think we're pretty good. Sure. Let's say that was our welcome email. Okay, let's hit next step. Then, of course, we would do save and publish. So now what happens is anytime someone comes here, and they enter in their, name and email. Actually, I would take off the name. I don't like using that because it usually reduces your conversions. The more steps someone has to go through, obviously, the less your conversions are going to be. You don't need their name. The email is more important. You probably only need the name if you're doing a webinar. In this scenario, we're not doing a webinar, so I don't recommend using the name. That would be very easy to remove. But either way, it would just be email address. They would click this. Then, of course, they would get their email follow-ups immediately. And then from there, the cool thing about it is that you can do create autoresponder, and then you can do another one for day 2, one for day 4, then 6, 8, 10, or you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it every 2 days, every 3, 4, 5. It's really going to be up to you. And that's pretty much a very popular strategy when it comes to email marketing. The fact of the matter is that you're going to be using some type of landing page, squeeze page, lead capture page, whatever you want to call it. And once you get the email, they usually get sent to a thank you page. Now, normally there can be much more on this. It could be a video saying congratulations, telling them a little bit about yourself, what to expect in future emails, to check their inbox. A lot of times you can actually have the free PDF on this. I like doing that and sending it to their email just so they have 2 ways of getting it in case they click off the page or whatever it's going to be. Then, of course, from there, everything is going to be the fortune is in the follow-up, as they say. So what happens here, you can continue on this autoresponder until the end of time. What else you can do is pretty much going up here and go to email marketing. And of course, we're still in email software. What we can do is create newsletter. So this is going to be different. It's not going to be automated like the autoresponder where it drips out, depending on the day. This is pretty much going to be an email marketing broadcast. So you can send it out to anyone at any time, and it's going to be the same exact thing using the drag and drop email editor. And once again, I'm just going to use test. Like I said, this isn't about subject lines. We can do different videos about subject lines and cool things like that. But it's going to be the same thing. Start from scratch. We're going to do blank template. And it's going to load. And we're going to like it. And we're going to do text block. I'm not going to edit any of this around. You know the idea when it comes to creating an email. I'm just going to go to next step. Okay, and there you would obviously choose your list, segments. If you have any segments, you can, choose a list where people you don't want to send to it. You can choose segments, suppression list, which is more of a little advanced thing. Next step. And of course, this is kind of just, giving you everything that's going on with your templates. The spam score, which is always cool. You can preview this on browsers just to see how it looks. What the spam score is going to be, like if you have a lot of those spam words like free or I don't know, like porn or something like, or Viagra, like all these trigger words that's going to really increase your spam score. I don't know why you'd be using those words, but just throwing it out there. Of course, there's no recipients because this is going to be sent to people who aren't on the list. It's just a test list, but for now it would be save as draft. And of course, well done. It's saved. Awesome. If there were people on my newsletter, subscribers on, I would be able to send it out. But pretty much that's as simple as it gets. That's one of the bread and butter strategies when it comes to affiliate marketing, internet marketing, any online business is to collect leads. And then what you can do even from there, you can send follow-ups to them. You could do broadcast, autoresponders. Could be to content, could be to value, could be to pre-sale pages, could be to offers. It could be anything you like. But that's a really good strategy that's working in this year. It's been working for very long and continues to work as long as people have internets and phones because they can always check from there. People can buy from phones too, Phones work very well, and they're only going to be, getting more and more of them as more people get used to the technology and so on and so forth. But I'm rambling. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video when it comes to an email marketing strategy along with the funnel. And that's how people are going to be making money because from there they can monetize the list. Once you have control of that traffic, you have control of the offers that you can promote, how you promote them. Of course, that's what comes to affiliate marketing, increasing your conversions and bonuses and so on and so forth. Anyway, that's about it. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to check out GetResponse. That's the autoresponder that I use. They come with a free 30-day trial. You don't even need a credit card. I'm still going to give you bonuses, so be sure to check out the link or button down below. And that's about it. I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.